right now, I'm like a little kid excited with this. I got the Xbox Series X Replica mini fridge. Thermoelectric cooler. Now that is a mouthful. The top of the fridge and the Xbox Sphere light up, which is dope. It can fit 12 cans and some snacks in the side. The port in the front works, and you can charge your controller from it. And then there are ports in the back as well, but those don't work. Those are just replicated. So we're gonna open up the top here, and you get some cardboard. Oh, that smell. That's good. What is this? Mini fridge warranty? I don't need that. That smells so good. Okay, right off the bat, it's very light. Okay, that's dope. The button works. Does it lock it? No, it's just a button. Okay. Oh, it smells really bad in there. Here are the plugins. Let's see. I saw these plugs and I was confused. Oh, so you can plug it into that or an outlet. Okay. So I think literally all my outlets are taken. We're gonna put it over here. Okay, so if you push this, the top lights up. That's dope. And if you push this, that lights up. And if you turn it on, it's louder than the actual Series X. And if you open it up, you give it a little tap, and watch. You get a real Series X. But basically, that turns top off, that turns that off. That's a real plug you can plug in your controller with. Back, on, off. You can plug it into your whatever. But yeah, these ports are fake. They're just replicated. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Turn it on here. We'll push our button. Boop, 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 boop. It's nice. Overall, I'm happy with the purchase. $99. You could probably fit a newborn child in there as well.